I convinced him. The other ones were just trying to change. Then he's in your back. What?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love it.
Oh my God!
I know you. I look at it and think I might know you. Oh really?
What are we doing?
We are gawking at vehicles. We were just in the 90-year birthday parade for Thayer, and we have vehicles here from the 1930s all the way up to current. So, we drove the Camaro, the Impala, and the Chevy Silverado pickup. And we didn't think about it, but we totally could have had the SI Hondas here.
We wouldn't have been able to drive. We didn't have enough people.
Yeah, we needed more people to drive, but oh well, not a big deal.
Where are we going now?
We're probably going to button it up, get in the car, and go have some breakfast. It's around 10:30 right now, and it's getting warm, and we're hungry because we haven't had breakfast yet.
Everybody likes the heat.
Gotcha. I got some for you too. Sure. You're very welcome. So thank you guys for coming. I appreciate it.